Hey guys, it's Robert again. Thanks for watching my channel and subscribing. Today I'm talking more about the Taco. If you have any questions, feel free to always post on the bottom as far as comments. And up on top here, I have a link to my playlist so you can check everything Taco. So today I'm going to be talking about the tires, rubbing. Truck is dirty, going to be washing it. But before I wash it, I want to take care of this issue with rubbing. These wheels, if you didn't know, are Stealth Custom Series or SES Ray 10 models, really popular. This is a 16 by 8 negative 12 offset. So with the negative 12 offset, it's going to bring that wheel out, poke it out a little bit, so it makes a nice little flush or a little poke style. When you do that, it's going to stick out more this way, and it's going to, when you're turning, you can rub things. And what I noticed is that with these BFG KO2s, which are great by the way, they are 265/75 16s. I am at stock height. Some people always ask me that, you know, hey bro, are you lifted? No, I'm not lifted, not yet at least. So going back here, 265/75 16s. It's a taller tire than stock, about a 1-inch tire. And what I did when I was driving and stopping quick or going up and down the hills, I was getting a rub, and you can see right there where it's rubbing. So that's the advantage of riding in dirt. You can actually see the marks where the dirt rubs off. If you do have mud flaps though, mud flaps will take it out. But with this fender flare, I doubt it'll come out. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm just gonna Dremel this out, and it shouldn't rub anymore. Now you can use whatever you want to use as far as filing. You can use a good old file, probably even a knife or something, but I'm going a little bit fancier with my Dremel, because it'll just save me time. It'll just be faster. As you can see how fast it was, I didn't have to hyperlapse it. I could trim it off a little bit here. I'm going to trim off a little bit just to be prettier. Let me flip it up here so you can see it. So I'm just going to trim this off just to be a little bit prettier. But I think it should be clear. If it's not, we'll just start trimming more. I do see a little bit, you see this little dark spot right here, so it might be hitting here. So if you want to, yeah, it's really close. If you want to, you can go ahead and use the heat gun, but like I said, it's not gonna hurt anything. Well, I can't find a heat gun, so I will have to show you guys later how to do that, but it's not that hard. But now it's a little bit prettier right here. Nobody can tell the difference. Actually, if I wanted to, I could heat gun this. If I notch this out, and I could heat gun that back end too. Plastic with the heat gun, it does wonders, by the way. So I'm gonna go to the other side. You guys can see the rub there. It's actually more prominent. And you can always, it's better to turn the wheel so you have more to work with, or more to reach with. But just focus there. So you can see, I actually heat gunned it before, but it's still rubbed here. So I'm going to take it out a little bit more because it actually has a texture of rubbing. And you can see right there, it's actually hit too. You see where the dust and where it's clean right there. So it definitely is going to need a little heat massaging later. And again, as soon as I find my heat gun, I will record that for you guys. But that's it. That's how you clear the rub. I think sometimes it might rub on the front right here. If you're running a bigger tire, I think I saw a little bit of rub paint right here if I look at it, but I think it's the back that's really doing it more. But that's one thing you can also trim too. I would probably not use a Dremel. I'd probably just use a file or something, or a razor, because this is more of a minor thing. And plus, you want to shape it. You want to make it look a little bit prettier if you have to do that one. I think a 285 tire will probably rub that. But again, as soon as I find the heat gun, I'll go ahead and massage this a little bit more. But that's a nice indicator of dust. That she tells you where it's rubbing. Again, thanks for watching, guys. I want to say appreciate your likes and subscribes. Going to a new year. Hope you guys have a great new year. And again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Another one.